Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Luis and this video is about how to install touch switch. Okay, so this one is not smart. That means that you cannot control by your smartphone or Alexa or Google Home. So when I bought it, I saw smart light switch and I didn't read carefully, so it doesn't support Wi-Fi. So for just a few more euros I would like to have one with Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's install. So this is the unboxing. So we have a capacitor that probably for some kind of bulbs you will require. For my installation it was not required. So this is the switch on the back, and in the front it's just touch. We don't have to press anything, just put your finger on it and it will switch on and off. Okay, so in order to open the back side, just get a screwdriver and gentle lift without breaking. Okay, and we'll have access to the internals, and it's really simple, the internal part. So let's proceed with installation. So first remember to switch off the power for your house. I didn't, so and I regret it because I got one. So don't remember to turn off the power before you do this operation. Okay, so remove after you turn off the power, you can remove the older switch that you want, and after that we need to prepare the cables. I will need to cut a bit because the wire is too long. Okay, and now we are ready to connect. So we have to unscrew in order the cables to go in. I'm going to cut a little more, and now we are ready to start putting in the cables. And remember that I didn't power off my electricity, so it's already working. Okay, and as I told you, I got shocked. So be really careful and turn off power before you do this kind of operations. Okay, always be safe. And as you can see, it's working really well. So just a gentle touch and it will power on or power off. I will not put the screws on this one because the screws holes are covered. I will put hot glue and that's it. Okay, it's working and finished, and it's working perfectly, but I regret that I didn't buy one with Wi-Fi, because if I'm in bed and I don't want to get up to turn off or on the lights. Okay, I hope you drop a like on this video. That's it. Thank you very much. I'll catch you on a new video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.